In this video, we'll explore the new Generative Extend tool in Premiere Pro 2025. On the timeline, I've got two clips with a gap between them. Instead of leaving that gap, I'll use Generative AI to extend the first clip, which is about 10 seconds long. Simply drag the start or end of the clip. You can extend it by up to 2 seconds. Premiere Pro will then generate new frames to seamlessly lengthen the footage. Once the process is complete, you can preview the result. The extended section looks natural, with fine details like the bird's feathers preserved. It's almost impossible to tell that the last 2 seconds were AI generated. The Generative Extend tool makes it easier than ever to fill gaps and smooth out your edit without breaking continuity. For the audio, Premiere Pro offers a similar kind of flexibility with the Remix tool, which automatically reworks music tracks to fit any duration, intelligently cutting and blending sections without needing to generate new audio. Together, these tools help create smoother, more efficient edits with minimal effort.